Today's session is about understanding how to value a home in a rising or in a changing market. As estate agents, we should all understand the relationship between the initial listing price of a home and its final selling price, the activity or the buyer interest that home attracts, and the time that a home spends on the market. Simply put, the higher the initial listing price relative to the final market value, the longer the home is going to spend on the market. What we want to achieve is an initial listing price that satisfies the expectations of the seller. We call that the hope factor. It's what the seller hopes to achieve for his property with what the market responds at, and to sell the home in that window of maximum impact and opportunity. It's the period on the market in which the selling price of the home will be maximized due to high buyer interest. So what happens in a changing market, and specifically the market that we find ourselves in today, where there is greater buyer interest, more demand, a shortage of stock, and rising prices? In a market like this, what generally tends to happen is that because demand outstrips supply, there is rising prices, greater activity, especially initially when the property comes onto the market, and if a property is well priced, a shorter selling time. The graph has shifted to the left and has risen. What's critically important for us as estate agents is to look at the two horizontal lines. The white horizontal line shows where we should have been valuing homes in last year's market. In a rising market where demand exceeds supply, where there are more buyers, rising prices, and where homes that are well priced are spending a shorter time on the market, our valuations need to be where the red line is. If we don't value in today's market, what simply happens is this: we run the risk of losing mandates to competitors because we are undervaluing homes. So when you're valuing a home in today's market, remember the red line. It will increase your chances of securing the mandate with your client, and equally importantly, it will increase the opportunity for you to sell the home during that window of maximum impact and opportunity.